Hello and welcome to LeBron Business Machinery channel, where we explore ways to make money in Africa. In this video, we'll be sharing the top 7 machines you need to make at least $2,000 per month in Africa. These machines are affordable and can help you start your own business with low capital. Let's get started. Machine number 1, Ice Cream Machine. An ice cream machine is a device used to make ice cream. With an ice cream machine, you can make different types of ice cream, such as gelato, sorbet, and frozen yogurt. The machine works by freezing the mixture while it's being churned, resulting in a smooth and creamy texture. An ice cream machine is essential if you want to start an ice cream business, as it allows you to produce high-quality ice cream in large quantities. All you have to do is produce high-quality cream and find a good, strategic location, such as in front of a school, on a busy street, or at a bus stop where there is plenty of foot traffic. By fulfilling these conditions, you will be able to earn $2,000 every month. Machine number 2, Popsicle Machine. A popsicle machine is a device used to make popsicles. Popsicles are frozen treats made by freezing flavored liquid around a stick. With a popsicle machine, you can make different flavors and shapes of popsicles, such as ice lollies, ice pops, and pellettes. A popsicle machine is an essential piece of equipment if you want to start a popsicle business, as it allows you to produce large quantities of popsicles quickly and efficiently. All you have to do is produce high-quality cream and find a good, strategic location, such as in front of a school, on a busy street, or at a bus stop where there is plenty of foot traffic. You can also hire people who can sell your product throughout the city with coolers. By fulfilling these conditions, you will be able to earn $2,000 every month. Machine number 3, Fruit and Vegetable Juice Extractor Machine. A fruit and vegetable juice extractor machine is a device used to extract juice from different types of fruits and vegetables. With a juice extractor machine, you can extract juice from fruits such as oranges, pineapples, and watermelons, and vegetables such as carrots, kale, and spinach. Fresh juice is always in demand, especially in urban areas, and it's a healthy alternative to sugary drinks. A juice extractor machine is essential if you want to start a fresh juice business, as it allows you to produce large quantities of juice quickly and efficiently. All you have to do is find a good, strategic location, such as in front of a school, on a busy street, or at a bus stop where there is plenty of foot traffic, and you will be able to earn $2,000 every month. Machine number 4, Dryer Machine for Dried Fruits and Vegetables. A dryer machine for dried fruits and vegetables is a device used to remove moisture from fruits and vegetables to extend their shelf life. With a dryer machine, you can dry different types of fruits and vegetables, such as bananas, mangoes, pineapples, tomatoes, and peppers. Dried fruits and vegetables are a popular snack in Africa, and they're also used as ingredients in recipes. A dryer machine is essential if you want to start a dried fruits and vegetables business, as it allows you to produce large quantities of dried fruits and vegetables quickly and efficiently. Most people don't realize how profitable this machine can be in Africa. Aside from drying fruits and vegetables, it can also be used to dry other foods such as fish, meat, herbs, and more. You can order this machine, buy your fruits and vegetables, slice them, dry them, put them in packaging, and sell them. By fulfilling these conditions, you will be able to earn more $2,000 every month. Machine number 5, Chalk Making Machine. The chalk making machine is an affordable and simple machine that can help you start a chalk production business. With this machine, you can make white chalk, colored chalk, or dustless chalk. The machine mixes plaster of Paris and water together to form a paste, which is then poured into the chalk molds. The molds are then placed in the machine, which presses the chalk and dries it. Once the chalk is dry, it is removed from the molds and packed for sale. Chalk is a low-cost, high-demand product that is used in schools and offices, making it a profitable business idea. Machine number 6, brick-making machine. The brick-making machine is a versatile machine that can produce different types and sizes of bricks. It works by mixing raw materials such as cement, sand, and water together to form a paste. The paste is then poured into the machine, which shapes the bricks and dries them. Once the bricks are dry, they can be sold to builders, contractors, and individuals for use in construction. With a brick-making machine, you can produce high-quality bricks at a low cost, making it a profitable business idea in Africa where construction is always in demand. Machine number 7, the feed pellet machine. The feed pellet machine is a versatile and efficient machine that can produce high-quality feed pellets for a variety of animals, including cattle, sheep, goats, poultry, and fish. The machine can produce different types of pellets with different shapes, sizes, and nutritional contents. Depending on the needs of the animals. To make feed pellets, you need to first mix different ingredients such as grains, protein sources, and vitamins in the right proportions. Then, you need to pass the mixture through the feed pellet machine, which compresses the mixture and forms it into pellets of a specific size and shape. The feed pellet machine is a great investment for anyone looking to start a livestock or poultry business, as it allows you to produce your own high-quality feed at a lower cost. You can sell the feed pellets to farmers and ranchers in your area, or use them to feed your own animals. That's it for our top 7 machines you need to make at least $2,000 per month in Africa. Those machines can help you start your own business and generate income for you and your family. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.